Maybe because I don't have enough tatas to keep. Hello gorgeous, welcome and welcome back to the channel. It is your girl Tamika. She is Tamika and Tamika is she a. She is Tamika and Tamika is she a. She is Tamika and Tamika is me. All right, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing. As you can tell by today's title, she a little heavy. I tried picking this thing up off the floor with just one hand and almost broke my nail. So you already know. All right, so thanks to Miss Toy Review. If you don't know who she is, you can go ahead and check out her channel after you watch this video. But she did a live yesterday, which was Saturday, and she talked about a weighted vest. Now, this weighted vest has always been on my mind, but I just never thought about getting it because I really didn't think that it was worth my while to even get a weighted vest. But when I looked up what is the purpose of a weighted vest, and just basically try to figure out like what does it do besides, you know, help with the bone density. It actually can help you burn more calories, you know, while you're walking, while you're jogging. You can also use this when you're weight training. So there's like a whole lot of use for a weighted vest to provide that extra resistance that you may be looking for. And a lot of people may not even want to lift heavy weights, but having this vest on while you're doing push-ups, while you're doing pull-ups, you know, it's burpees, you know, you just, yeah. So I think this was a good investment. So it does come in multiple sizes. I chose to get size 12 because they say you should do at least 10% of your current body weight. But I know that can, you know, girl, just get a 12. That's what I did. So we're just going to go ahead and unbox it right now. Best buy for you. Also, you can check out my Amazon storefront. Gotta use these muscles because these do come in multiple colors. I chose to get black because I felt like it can go with, you know, it's versatile when you're putting on, it's versatile when you're wearing it with your other gym clothes and stuff. And this was coming overnight, okay? If I ordered like the pink or the purple, it was going to take like a whole day. So I didn't want that. All right, so here it is. All right. Comes in this cute little bag. And this is pretty heavy. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and get the scissors. We're going to chop it away. Ooh. Ain't that was heavy. All right. So we're going to try this on. So this is the weighted vest. Wait, get a thumbnail. Hold on. Ooh, my arm is sore. All right. This is what she's looking like, y'all. All right. And the weights are like sitting, it feels like beans in here or something. I don't know. And the straps, and this is the back. All right, so let's go ahead and put this on. Hopefully I don't burn up the rice while I'm trying to make a quick video. Okay, so I got y'all pulled back for a reason. Okay, girl. Let's see. And gents, this is not heavy at all. Okay. So now we're going to snap this. This is not heavy. I thought this was... All right. So we're going to adjust this bad baby. We're going to put her on. Okay. What size did I get this? I think this is one size fit all. Yeah, this is not heavy at all. It's not. Oh, and it's beans right here. Like it's heavy, like all over the place. Okay. All right, let's take her for a spin. I should have got a heavier one. This is not heavy. Well, I don't think I want it like severely heavy to the point where I'm struggling to walk, but I don't know. In the box, it is heavy, but like when you put it on, it's not that heavy. I don't like that it shakes as maybe because I don't have enough tatas to keep it together. I don't know, but yeah, I just feel like this is gonna, it's not that, well, it is a little sturdy. No, this is too much. This is a whole lot of rocking and rolling. Wait, let's do a jumping jack. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. High knees. Yeah, it's too much shaking. Yeah, I have too much room in this. It doesn't hurt my shoulder pads, like my shoulder. It doesn't hurt my shoulders when I jump up and down because it's soft, you know. But I don't know. I don't know how to feel about this. I am breathing a little heavy, but it's really not. I thought it was going to be like heavy to the point. Well, my expectation was a little bit off. So just having a little bit of weight on you can add that resistance that you need. It's almost like ankle weights. But at least when I have ankle weights and I pick up my feet, I can feel the resistance. Like, okay, yes, I have weight on. Yeah, but it is loose. As you can see, like I got a lot of room on, and this shirt is big, and I got a lot of room. And some of the complaints as far as like the reviews is that for like women who are a bit larger in the chest area, that the vest doesn't really fit snug. It fits a little too snug for them. But in this case, this moves around a lot. But I feel like I'm about to go to war or be like a protector. What you doing in the woods? I don't know. But anywho, I'm going to be using this in my workouts. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my little rest because it's 2:34 and I'm getting ready to go live soon at 4 o'clock. But the fact that I can do this is just too, like, so after I took the vest, I can feel a difference. So having that extra weight, it will help. Turn around. Turn this full circle. Yeah, it's loose on here. Turn around. Oh, yeah. If that's the way it fits me, like that. Oh, that's not bad. Yeah. Jump, do a jumping jack. But what kind of mess? Weighted vest review, and I will check you out later. Goodbye, gorgeous and Tam Nation. If you made it this far, put the paw prints.